Imagine this. Two people, same age, same salary. But their futures? Completely different. One is drowning in debt, constantly stressing over bills, working endless hours with nothing to show for it. The other? He just bought his first house, has a growing investment portfolio, and never worries about money. What made the difference? What did one person know that the other didn't? If you don't want to be struggling at 30 while your friends are traveling the world, then stay with me till the end, because this video might just change your life. Most of us grow up with zero financial education. Schools never taught us how to handle money, and society tricks us into thinking that earning a paycheck is enough. By the time we realize the truth, we're already trapped in a vicious cycle: earn, spend, regret, repeat. The reality is, your paycheck alone will never make you rich. Have you ever wondered why some people work for decades and still struggle, while others become financially free in their 20s? The answer is simple. It's not about how much you earn, it's about what you do with your money. Here's the shocking truth. 78% of young adults live paycheck to paycheck. They spend everything they earn on expensive gadgets, designer clothes, and eating out every day. They fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. The more they earn, the more they spend. Before they know it, they're stuck in a financial prison they built themselves. But here's what the rich do differently. They make their money work for them. They don't just save, they invest. The biggest mistake most people make? Thinking that saving alone will make them rich. Wrong. Your savings lose value over time due to inflation. You need to invest. And no, investing is not gambling. It's a proven strategy to grow wealth over time. Let me show you how you can escape the paycheck trap and take control of your financial future. Step 1. Track every dollar. You can't fix what you don't measure. Write down your income and expenses. Identify where your money is going. You'll be shocked at how much you waste every month. Step 2. Save and invest first. Most people save whatever is left at the end of the month. Big mistake. Instead, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments first, before you pay your bills or spend on anything else. Step 3. Build multiple income streams. Your salary alone won't make you rich. The key to financial freedom is having multiple sources of income. Think about passive income streams like investments, side hustles, and online businesses. Here's something that will blow your mind. If you had invested just $5 a day in the stock market 10 years ago, you'd have over $30,000 today. That's the power of compound interest. The sooner you start, the faster your wealth grows. So where should you start? Here are 3 beginner-friendly investment options. Index funds, best for beginners. Low risk, steady growth, and backed by top companies. Real estate, buy property, rent it out, and generate passive income while the value increases. Online businesses and side hustles, start an e-commerce store, YouTube channel, or affiliate marketing. Digital businesses have the potential to grow exponentially. Now, let's go back to the 2 people we talked about at the beginning. One is still stuck in the rat race, living paycheck to paycheck. The other? He made one decision that changed everything. He took control of his finances and started investing. Today, he doesn't worry about bills. He doesn't work for money. Money works for him. The choice is yours. Will you start today, or will you look back years from now, filled with regret, wondering why you didn't take action sooner? If you want to know exactly how to start investing, even if you have no money, watch this next. Subscribe for more money secrets and take the first step toward financial freedom today.